Today, I'm playing Make It Rain, and I only have I'm only getting a little bit amount of money. Like, I'm at 38 bucks. So, if I go on this, which your phone needs to be rooted or whatever you're on, and you have to have the app Game Hacker. So pretty much, you see I'm at 38. If I go 900, as many zeros, and I do that, then if I press this, I have that much. I have as much as I put down, so I could put down as much as I want, boom. So guys, that's how to pretty much hack, I would say, on Make It Rain. So alright guys, so I don't even know what I'm doing here. Dude, I'm gonna get copyright.
What the heck is that game? Oh, that game.
So guys, yeah, I'm just gonna quit the game. Okay. So guys, you can see I'm at 6 right now. So if I just do this modify, yeah guys. So I'm at 1,000,000. Pretty much that's how to hack Make It Rain. So thank you guys for watching, and peace.